Some of the others are in more quiet places. There's several out at the Wellfield Gardens north of downtown Elkhart. Those are kind of more in a natural setting for elks, I guess. One of them is very colorful because it's covered with all kinds of bright colored flowers that cover the entire elk. One of the other elks at the Wellfield Gardens has small flowers and a great pattern on it as well. I would have to say that even after looking at a lot of the elks, the elk by the Lerner Theater, I love that one still. It's one of my favorites because it is unique. He has a lime green head, but he's in a tux, and he's classy, but yet he's fun. So he's a great elk.
Some